Hey, welcome to Vape and Juice TV. This is our coil series where I'm going to show you how to change a coil in your vape kit. So without further ado, let's show you which coil we're going to change now. So what we got here is the Uwell Caliburn G pod kit. There's a couple of different versions of the Caliburn pod kits. From the Koko, it's a little square, fits in your top pocket if you wear a shirt with a top pocket, which I don't think anyone does anymore, or the original Caliburn. But I'm going to show you how to change a coil essentially on all of them by showing you on this one. So we're going to jump into a bird's eye view and you can see how to change a coil on a Caliburn G and a Caliburn and a Koko. Right, so the Caliburn G kit, this just covers all Caliburn kits really. It's not just the Caliburn G. It covers the Caliburn Koko kit, the Caliburn original kit, and to future-proof this video, it covers the latest new Caliburn pod kit. So how do we change the coil? Well, this is the pod, this is the battery. We're going to pull the two apart, like so. Let's just lay that down there nicely, repping the brand. Hopefully they give me a free one. I've got a free one, but I've paid for it. And at the bottom of the pod, you'll see a little blue sticker. Obviously, this is a fresh pod, so we're going to just pull this off. Going to remove that like so. Going to stick that to my kit nicely. And what you'll see is there's a little metal circle with a slight cutout on the bottom of the pod. So the pod's made out of two things. It's made out of the mouthpiece, essentially, the tank. There's three things, isn't it? I'm alright nosed. Mouthpiece, the doodah, and the metal thing on the bottom, which I'm yet to discuss with you, but I'm about to break some news to you guys. That is the coil. How do we get it out? How do we know when it tastes burnt? So let's start with first, how do you know when to change the coil? Well, if it starts tasting a bit burnt, or how it tastes when you vape doesn't taste as nice as when you first got it, it means the coil's had the best days behind it. So you get a fresh coil out, you get your pod out the top of the machine like that, like I've just done, and you just put your nails either side of that metal and you just pull it out like that. Obviously, if you've got liquid in there, it's now going to pour out, so be mindful. Bit of tissue over a sink or over someone you don't really like's head. And we're going to put that down here. So it's kind of like the way they make these coils are, the ideal scenario is you've just freshly finished vaping it and go, you know what I need before I put more liquid in there? It's a new coil. Anyway, either side of this coil, you see these little metal holes. That's where the liquid gets absorbed by the cotton, and when the battery hits fire button, the coil heats up and the cotton, it's got the liquid in it, vaporizes it. So not a particularly lot of cotton, very small holes. Over a period of time, they're going to start getting gammed up. So a good couple of weeks, you probably want to change it, and we just grab another one of these. Make sure it's empty or not, doesn't really matter too much, but it will leak. And you simply just line up the fresh coil with the edges like you had before, and just push it in place. There we go, like that. See that? It's all in place now. Give it a few minutes, get a chance for the coils to absorb the liquid, and then just whack it back in there, and you're golden. Liquid wise, they are best really with a Nixle or a higher PG liquid. If you want to get some inspiration of what is a great liquid, we keep a constantly updated top 20 e-liquids. I'm going to put that in the description of this video, and it'll be on the page as well. But that's how you change a coil for a Caliburn kit. Not just the Caliburn G, but also for the Koko and the original. And of course, as I've said, to keep this future-proofed, that's how you change a coil for the new Caliburn 3. There you go, helpful video. We help you vape, that's what we do. If you need any more help, don't forget to use a live web chat on our website. What's our website? It's vapeandjuice.co.uk or .com. We ship internationally, check us out. Thanks for watching.